Use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Google Translate in your Facebook Messenger app. Now, while the Facebook Messenger doesn't have a built-in translation feature, you can always use Google Translate to switch the language of any text. Now, to do so, open your app and go ahead to any conversation. Now, I'll just open up a quick conversation here. Now, long tap on the chat that you want to translate, and on the bottom of the screen you'll get the option to reply, to copy, to forward and more. Now just simply copy it by tapping on copy and go ahead and open your any browser, your Chrome browser or any browser that you would like to use. And here search for Google Translate. You can see that I've already opened my Google Translate. Now enter your text on the first option that you can see, enter text. Here long tap and paste it. And now on the right hand side of your screen you can find just above your text to choose the language that you want to translate it to. I'll just translate it to Arabic here. So here you can see I pasted my text here and down I have my translation. Now just quickly, if you want to reply it in the same language that you translated, just type in your reply here. And below you'll get the translation. Now long tap on it, long press and hold and select and copy it. Now go ahead to your messenger and go ahead and long press on the message option and then paste over here and send it. So this way you can use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.